Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add translations to your videos using the Filmora video editing software if you're looking to make your If you're looking to make your videos more accessible to a wider audience, this tutorial is for you.
Step 1. Open Filmora and import your video clip. Step 2. Click on the translation option and select the translation style you want to use for your translation. Step 3. Drag and drop the translation between both of the video and along the timeline. Step 4. Preview your video and make any necessary adjustments to the timing and placement of the translation. Steps: when you're satisfied with the results, export your video and voila, you now have a translated version of your video.